Hi everyone, it's dandydish, but you can call me Dani. Today, we'll be making cold brew coffee. I actually got this recipe from Tyler Capps and his webtoon, Cooking Comically. I've posted his website and the link to the recipe in the description below, so please, check it out. This recipe only calls for 3 ingredients: 2.5 cups of coffee grounds, 4.5 cups of water, and your choice of milk. We'll be using the Veranda blend from Starbucks. This is the blonde roast, which means that there's more caffeine and the taste is lighter and sweeter, which I hope would make for a tasty cold brew. The first step says to get some coffee grounds, pre-grounded, or you can grind it yourself. We'll be grinding it ourselves, so I'm setting the machine to coarsely ground. This makes the filtration process easier, and for the cold brew to taste less bitter. Next, we're going to transfer the grounds into a sealable container. Then, add our 4.5 cups of water. I'm using filtered water instead of tap for a cleaner taste. The recipe also says to give the container a shake, but I may have forgotten to do that. Hopefully that doesn't affect the taste too much. After mixing, we're gonna let it steep at room temperature for 12 to 24 hours. Here's a video of my hamster while we wait. Okay, now that it's been 12 hours, we're gonna strain the mixture using a coffee filter. Once you're done straining, you have your coffee concentrate. Be sure to dilute it with water before serving, so it won't taste as bitter. And add milk to your liking. I added soy milk to mine, but I also enjoy it with vanilla sweet cream, which is 2% milk, a little bit of heavy cream, and some vanilla syrup. Even though I may have made a mistake, this cold brew recipe is still pretty good. The taste and texture is very smooth, velvety, and rich. I would definitely make this again. Thank you for watching!